I got a project I'm going to work on today. I got this diesel welder. It's AC welder. It runs good. I welded with it, and it's a generator. And this is the welding trailer we put together like a year ago. I'm always off and on starting this project, but I want to take the wheels off that. I'll keep the wheels, but I want to make it bolt to this trailer here, and it'll sit. The way I want it to set is the recoil start will be right here to start. All the controls will be right here. The welding leads will come right out, and they can hang right here when you're using it. So I think it'll be a quick project to get that on today and get that out of my garage because I'm running out of room in there. Always tripping over it, and it becomes a storage unit or a shelf for junk to collect. So yeah, then we'll work on getting those wheels off. I'll bring the log truck around so I can use it because that thing's so doggone heavy. I'll pick it up and set it on here, and then maybe I got some scraps I can weld some little ears on. Hey, that's enough, dang dogs. But yeah, when I got it kind of mocked up here, I took the self loader and set this welder on. It's too heavy for me to pick up by myself. I have this strap I made, and I just put her down and set it down. I took the wheels off. I think I'm just going to plan on welding this here on both sides. I happen to have there's a bolt hole here and already a hole here from the original welder I had on this trailer that just lined up. And there's all sorts of series of holes on here from something. Originally I was going to weld, this is where it's welded or bolted on the other side, but there's a hole here that matches this one, so I'm thinking about just drilling a hole in this cross member and bolting it down here. So it'll be bolted here and on the other corner, welded here, and then if I ever want to take this welder off, like put it in the back of my pickup or something, I could just take these two bolts off here, this U-bolts, and one bolt here and one bolt there, and grab it here, two guys, we could set it right in the back of a pickup. So just kind of quick and dirty, but I think that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. Side note also, it's pretty close here, but this is just for hanging your leads. This is for hanging your air hose. So, you know, and there's still plenty of room to get back here to service the air filter. Recoil start. I was going to have it spun 90 degrees, but then nothing lined up, and it was still, then you couldn't get to the battery here. Ideally, I kind of want to use this same battery and then just run some welding or some battery cables to this one, and they should be able to start off the same battery. It's just a thought, you know, or maybe, I don't know, lots of room here. I could even put like a small toolbox here or something, or maybe on the other side. Well, not the other side, that's where the oil is, but I'm going to go ahead and, I guess, drill that hole and weld this on, and yeah, then we'll fire it up and see how much it shakes this whole trailer. Now here it is. Got it welded, and that really looks ugly in that light. And it is kind of ugly. The other ones aren't as ugly. Anyways, welder's bolted down, welded down. Which is nice. And then I went ahead and quickly, I should have used flat black because I didn't clean it up, but painted the toolbox, which has the welding leads and welding rod and air hose and tire stuff for changing tires on semi-truck. But I think it's as good as it's going to get. The only thing I would like to do eventually is a set of fenders on it so it doesn't spray, you know, mud and water down all over it when it's going down the highway or the road. But pretty happy with it. So there it is. Thanks for watching.